Hi everybody, Paul Richards here, and in this video we are talking about Slack integration, doing a little tutorial on how to integrate Slack with your Google Analytics channel. So we're doing a video series and we've got a webinar coming up where we're just talking about how to integrate Slack with all the different video technologies, whether it's on-demand YouTube, on-demand Google Hangouts, Skype, Zoom, and now we're talking about just Google Analytics in general so that you can track your website performance and maybe your YouTube channel performance, for example. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I am in my virtual set, and what we want to do is we want to talk about integration with Google Analytics into Slack. So very first thing you want to do is you want to obviously have your Google Analytics channel tracking something, whether it's your YouTube channel or your website or whatever you need to track, and have that information pulled directly into Slack. So for those of you who don't know, we do have a webinar March 11th that will be part of this playlist, so you'll be able to watch our in-depth how we use Slack here internally at HuddleCam HD to launch video conference calls, to organize our business, and we're going to talk about how we integrate with Google Hangouts, Skype, and Zoom. So it's going to be a really great tutorial where we talk about different commands. The other thing I wanted to mention is that this is an interactive kind of choose your own adventure video, so you can go ahead and jump right to how we use Slack with Hangouts, how we use Slack with Analytics, how we use Slack with Skype, or even Zoom. You know, all of these you can just click on and jump right to them if you're not so interested in the Google Analytics video that we are talking about now. So, we've talked about all that. I have a video that I'm going to play that shows you exactly how the Slack integration will work. Again, you have to have Google Analytics already started, and you have to have a bot called StatsBot. It's available. It's a one-click integration. It's called StatsBot. And once that's integrated into your Slack channel, you can then invite the StatsBot to an individual channel and start using it to import graphs into your channel from Google Analytics. So just a heads up on how this works. The StatsBot can only actually pull information from a single Google Analytics property per channel. So if you want to, what you'd have to do is have one channel for your website, one channel for website 2, one channel for your YouTube channel, for example. And the way this starts, and I'll just kick this off this video, is the very first thing you want to do is you want to make sure the StatsBot has been invited to the channel. If it's not invited to the channel, go ahead and invite it. To call the StatsBot, you would do @StatsBot, and then there's a command called help, which will show you all of the different commands that you can use with the StatsBot, which includes scheduling graph import. So maybe you want to have a graph every week or every month. All of that information is in the help file there, which you can see I pulled up. From the help file, I just saw that we could easily pull users today. So I typed in @StatsBot users today and pulled in a graph for the day. You can also do @StatsBot users monthly, and then that will pull in a graph of the users that we've had this month. So that's really it. It's super easy. You can schedule these graphs. You can use almost any property that's available in Google Analytics to just pull or schedule those graphs directly into your Slack channel. We've found this to be an amazing tool to just stay on top of how our website's doing, how all the different things are doing. It's been great, and that's really it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and that's it. So we will just really briefly introduce you to our YouTube channel. Oops, there we go. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Oh, little technical difficulty. I apologize. Subscribe to our YouTube channel over here. There's a free ebook below, and then a bunch of different playlists that you can sign up for. Thanks for watching, guys.